So first of all, cumulative frequency. What does that mean? Cumulative frequency is a running total. So up here, we can fill this in and say, well, that is 2. 6 add the 2 is, so I can write here, 6 add the 2 is 8. So it's a running total as we're going through. 11 add the 8 is 19. 19 add 13 is 32. And then 7 add 32 is 39. Plus the 1 is 40. Now this 40 will be the same as the total frequency. Okay? Like I said, this is a running total. You get to the top of that. Now, notice that this is all the pocket money under and equal to £1. All the pocket people get under £2 or equal to £2, equal to £3 or under £3, etc. Now, what you should do now is always trying to go like cumulative frequency is always along here. Okay, I'm going to call it CF for short. Cumulative frequency is always on the vertical axis. And if we want 40, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 gaps there. So I'll just use that nicely and use 4, just do all the way along, 4 gaps there. So the running total, I'm going to call that 10, 20, 30, and there's 40. Now this is pocket money, not pocket money, this is people, so I'm just going to leave it like that. This is amount of people. The pocket money is actually down at the bottom, and it goes to 6. I'm just going to see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to go all the way to the full stretch along the horizontal. Yes. Say again. Oh, I'm a bit. Right, my bad. So here we go. Help if I count the squares. There's 30. Sorry about that. So here we've got pocket money. I'm just checking where it's going. So we're going to say 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, 4, 5, and 6. Now it's important that you do label it, so I'm going to call that pocket money there. Pocket, and I'm just going to call it in pounds. So people getting £1 or less is 2 people. Now don't forget the scale is going up in 2s because it's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So just make sure, keep an eye on the scale. 2 people, with the people achieving £2 or less was 8 people. So you put a point there. People achieving £3 or less was 19. So this is 18, so 19 is going to go in the middle. £4 or less was £4 or less. Cumulative frequency is £32. There's 30. There's 2. £5 or less was 39 people. So that's 38. So 39 is going to go there. And £6 or less. Well, everybody achieved £6 or less. Okay. I wish my kids were watching this. They're always asking for more pocket money. Right. Okay. So once you've done all that, now the beauty about cumulative frequency is it should always make a similar kind of S shape. Now it's got to be smooth. Loads of kids get it wrong when they do straight lines. Okay, it does say, well, it doesn't say here, but sometimes it says draw a cumulative frequency curve. This is what the curve should look like. Should go through a smooth point, going through all these. Just take your time. If you have to come off, and draw it with a pencil. Now I'm going to go all the way down to 0 there, and I'll be happy if you did something like that in the exam.